What's up? Welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can strike through text on Skype. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to open up the Skype application from my phone. Now from the keyboard I'm going to find out the tilde symbol. The tilde symbol looks like a small wave-like line. Now I'm going to write down the text I want to cross out. Strike through the text and end up with another tilde sign and send it. As you can see, the text is fully crossed out and it's super easy. So thank you guys, have a good day.